Okay, so here's where we're at right now. Okay, so I did manage. I managed to get the thread all even. Let's say relatively even on both sides. Um, they're together, held in there with wing nuts. Um, you do not realize how difficult that is for me. So that is just a impossible feat obtained. Yay me. Okay, so I'm gonna pull on that heart. Okay, so what I need now, just turn it the whole way. What I need now, at a suggestion of FLP, is this would make a great smoker. And I think that's an excellent idea because it totally would. All right, so I'm going to level everything up again, measure, oh my goodness, measure, put some thread all like a rack here. That, in fact, that's what this is. It's acting as a rack and a support. Uh, then I'm thinking about putting another 4 here and raising the heat source off the bottom. There's going to be a pizza pan protecting the ground or the table or wherever I'm going to use this. Okay, but I think I'm going to have draw holes drilled around the bottom. So that's why I want to get the heat source up a little bit. But I'm still thinking about that. This is a work in progress. All right. All right, so all of those are drilled out. Oh, now I gotta test it and see if I did it okay. Wish me luck. Just checking out to see if it fits. It does. It's a little bit loose, but I think with the heart, the draw heart up here and down there, up here, and on the bottom, that will pull that into a circle. I'm tangled up in the wires. Okay, so that's pretty good, especially since it's me doing it. But you know, math sucks, or I suck at math. All right, so here's where we're at with this. I marked my grid for how I want it to go for the accordion cuts. That's my word, I don't know. To cut it so it folds into an accordion. let's update you on where we are at. Okay, now, I think last time I told you that I had marked the places that I want to cut it for the accordion effect. Okay, so now I took a dollar store cookie tin. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's cheap. Okay, it is about as thin as the flashing, and it was pretty simple to make these. You know, I did go to the hardware store, and they had nickel, and they had zinc, and they had brass, and I didn't think that they would hold up like I needed them to hold up. And plus, they were big. I mean, they were big and bulky, and I'm not trying to add a lot of weight to this because I'm going to carry it. So I took that cookie tray, I don't know, cookie sheet. Okay, I took the cookie sheet and I traced this hide-a-key box because I thought that might be a good size, and it did turn out to be a good size. And then I cut it out. And after I cut it out, I cut it again down the middle. Then I force this down at an angle. This is a hanger. I don't even know what size I just estimated the size from the size of the flashing or the cookie sheet. Okay, I trimmed up all the hinges and they are ready to be screwed into place. Okay, so I wanted to bring you back and let you know that after careful consideration, I went ahead and made up some more DIY hinges to support the middle.